That in-ground pool you think adds value, for a lot of buyers, it's actually a turnoff. Pools used to feel like a no-brainer upgrade, more fun, more luxury, more value, but in today's market, buyers are looking at them differently because they're not just seeing a pool, they're seeing maintenance, cost, liability, and work. And a lot of buyers don't want it, especially the ones who are already stretching to buy the house. So instead of it being a selling point, it becomes a question mark. Now, here's what's replacing it: outdoor living space that people can actually use all the time. Things like full outdoor kitchens, built in grills and pizza ovens, covered seating areas, high end patios. And here's the key difference: a pool is seasonal, an outdoor kitchen, that's usable most of the year. So buyers see more value in that, more function, less maintenance, less risk. And when buyers see something is easier, they're willing to pay for it. That's why you're starting to see a shift. Some homeowners are actually removing pools and replacing them with usable outdoor space, not because pools are bad, but because buyers are thinking differently right now. In today's market, it's not about having more, it's about having something buyers actually want to use. I'm Josh Wernick, Realtor servicing Bucks and Montgomery County, the main line in Chestnut Hill. If you're trying to figure out what matters before you sell, text me at 267-934-5674 and let's discuss your sale preparation, price point, and marketing strategy. You'll find a how-to guide in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.